Abdaal made $264,649 from just 2 YouTube videos. Watch this.
This has mostly been driven by just a handful of videos like passive income ideas and how to invest.
He made $164,496 from this video and $100,153 from this video. It wasn't a scam, a crazy stock pick, or some crypto Ponzi scheme. It was actually ridiculously simple. In this video, I'll show you exactly how he did it, how you can apply the same passive income strategies, and the best ways to invest for beginners. So, all right, let's get straight to the numbers. These 2 videos were about passive income and investing for beginners, both topics with some of the highest RPMs on YouTube. Now, let's talk about how you can start making passive income, even if you're a complete beginner. 1. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the best passive income streams because your videos keep earning long after you hit upload. The passive income and side hustle niche is huge, but to stand out, you need a unique angle. Here are some ideas. Case studies, breaking down how people make money online. Experiments, trying different side hustles and sharing results. Education and tutorials, teaching people how to start their own side income streams. News and trends, covering the latest passive income opportunities. Pick one that aligns with your skills, interests, and what excites you most.